One of my favorite summer salads, watermelon, feta, and mint. You're gonna like this, stay tuned. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. The thing about summer is that they have these fresh, wonderful tasting salads that are simple to make. This is one of my favorite salads. It doesn't take much time at all. It's real impressive. It can be a side, or you can just maybe grill some shrimp or some chicken and make, kind of like a meal out of it. So what we have here is we've taken about 1/4 of a large watermelon and cut it up into 1-inch cubes, all right? Or whatever size you like. I like this size because you can put it in your mouth and bite it. And so we're gonna put this in the bowl. Then we have the juice of 1/2 lemon. We're gonna take about 20 mint sprigs. It works out to be maybe a 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna cut some of these and mix them in with the salad, and then I'm gonna take a few and tear them and put them on the top. All right. And then we have a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. I know what you're thinking, olive oil and watermelon, but believe me, it works. And then we're gonna mix this up. I'm gonna get a serving plate. I'm gonna put this on a nice dish. We are going to salt and pepper it lightly. Then we have about 4 ounces of feta cheese. I like to just break it up. I like some big chunks and some small chunks. You can mix it in with the salad if you don't want to do this, that's fine. I like to kind of put it on top to make it a little nicer presentation. And again, like all the recipes, adjust this. If you like more feta, put more feta on. If you like less feta, put less feta on. It's totally up to you. Actually, I think we're going to use about 3 ounces here. All right. Then we're going to take the rest of our mint and do some rough tears for some bigger pieces. And that's it. How easy can this be? Watermelon, feta, and mint salad. Give it a shot. I know it's going to become one of your favorite summer salads.